Good afternoon, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2011 Chevy Silverado 2500 LT Duramax. Beautiful truck. We're going to do the outside, we're going to do the inside condition and features. I'll pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. But as you can see, I'm getting both angles for you as well so you can see condition for yourself. Big reason why we love doing these videos. Saves a bunch of time on both sides and you have a great idea of what you're coming in to see. But as you can see, it has the tow mirrors, the rear tinted windows, the aftermarket wheels and tires. As you can see, it has the toolbox in back, the Z71 tow pack there, squeezing in between some cars here, backup camera, no bed liner, but bed liners are easy. Again, just get these angles here, hopefully I don't get ran over doing this walk around. Go down on tires here in just a second. Alright, let's get down here on tire size. Hopefully you can read it. I know the glare is really killing it, but brand new wheels and tires. Gives this truck what they like to call in this business eyeball. Excuse me. Get to the inside here in just a moment. It does come with the remote start. I'll just go ahead and turn it over now. Normally I'll turn it over after we've gotten to the inside, but let's make sure it's locked here. Double lock it. There we go. Boom. Just like that. Alright, let's get to the inside condition and features. Power windows, power locks, power seat. Let's get the condition of the seats here. I know the glare isn't helping. I don't see any really rips or tears. Third seat in the front row if you need a seat 6, you're able. Let's get the passenger seat here the best I can. Again, I don't see any rips or tears. Let's get the back seat here for you. Hopefully block out some glare the best I can. Really good condition. Let's get some features up front here. Again, try to block the glare. There we go. We got the factory tow assist. Steering wheel controls there. Oh my goodness. Sorry guys. We do have the stock stereo. See the Jake brake. 4-wheel drive. All of that good stuff. Alright, let's take a look underneath the hood and then we'll come back and I'll turn the ignition over even though it's going to start. Oh, it's going to die here when I open the hood. Always does, just so you know. Yep, there it goes. So, now I do say this in my videos all the time, guys. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I like to get this in here the best I can for you. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you've looked at a few others. You haven't. This thing is clean as it can be. All of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected, all of those things. So please keep that in mind. You know, and I would encourage anybody to check out, you know, our Better Business Bureau, our Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business, and well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. Let me climb in here real quick, guys. You know, we really do take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale. And that's huge for me, that's huge for us. Hood is open. Alright, let's see here. So 60,000 miles on this guy. Yeah, we do need some fuel, that is for sure. But as you can see, no check engine lights, nothing like that. Stereo works just fine. Alright, it does have XM stereo, and we can get you 30 days on it for free after you purchased. Let's turn on some lights and go back to the engine here. Turn on beautifully. This thing is gorgeous. Anyways, well, hopefully this helped answer some questions. You know, if there's anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out, take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. Just give us a call or a text. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. We'll see you next time.